All right, so this now me, myself, and more sweet Uzo Ododoba one of WazobiaFM. I'll be your number one certified relationship and sex coach. So today on Top ChookMouthGeng podcast, we want to talk about sex before marriage or sex after marriage. Me Gidigba on top of sex after marriage. Why? Because of all the plenty benefits we did there. One, now part of the bonding we they create for the couples them. Even before they marry. You'll get to know more on top of the podcast. If you miss her, we'll prepare you.
My name now Olamide, and this is now the ChookMouthGeng podcast. On top of the topic, whether sex before marriage or sex after marriage, I will say sex before marriage. No be just option, na compulsory age. Like na something wey must happen for any issue. You know, supposed to be the debate self. And they ask me why. Now because say, why of all the things, if we don't want to lie to ourselves, after I don't look, you don't look money, you don't come out money, you don't come out maybe one other thing. Sex na top 3 of the most important things for this life. So why you want to go into a big thing as marriage without even getting an idea of wetin sex be? You can't make communion with person, or it's too risky, no trial. No worry, you go find out more from argument as this podcast starts. No go anywhere.
I go by the name Papito, AKA Papi Spade, my brother. Whether not before or after, the coconut to Nakamura. On top this podcast, we'll go meet at that Doom Doom. ChookMouthGeng, here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're there on top of the ChookMouthGeng podcast. Nothing serious.
Just vibes.
Papi spending.
In dollars, do you know?
What my boy? Hey, Uzomatic Uzo, how you day?
Oh, Akaja, they would be hell.
No, you they show, you they reflect.
Ah.
They feel them.
You supposed to feel like.
K for Kajad, K for Nak.
The Lord have mercy on you. Me there.
Something is wounding her.
Hey,
I did fine. How you day?
Oh, I do.
We don't got the smell already. See, make I give me an expo. This topic we want to talk about, I already know where they stand. So I they wait for it's gonna be. Is it like they're gonna roast each other? Like they're gonna roast each other. Yes. So and we they talk about sex before marriage or sex after marriage. Which one be the proper thing, or which one you think say? Suppose they make I throw this question first of all. Most people they argue. You get one thing where they for street on a normal say. If I no knack the guy or the girl, how I want to know how the person be? Exactly. What if the guy can't be impotent? Exactly. What if the girl no get any experience at all? So, the sex after marriage. Don't they shout exactly?
No be even argument.
This one is a pervert. It's a pervert.
No be argument as standard actually. I mean, all of us we here. We feel agree. Say you agree. Say sex is one of the most important things for this life. Like give yourself.
No, money is the most important thing.
No, I don't say
one of. We say
one of. If they count most important things for the life, they make this life go as it take be.
Now why life be like this?
wait. So we agree say for marriage, sex now probably top 2 for most important things. So if you make or mar, as your Oyinbo go take talk, if you make or mar in marriage, if sex good, it dey likely say this marriage or marriage in that sense go last.
Okay.
If sex bad, now isn't they lead to infidelity where they can't scatter the marriage at the end of the day. Now, during the whole relationship stage, right? Now they do everything together. You get now they chop together, they use the same plates, they use the same cup, drink water. Now they even wear the same clothes. Now they do all those basic things. But the most important thing, or in short, top 2 most important thing, we go determine whether I'm going there for that marriage when they go into. And I no come on touch them. I say, okay, we'll go find out we'll marry. How it take me sense, Papi? You self check out.
So, I get a question for you.
Sex before marriage now won't talk.
No, I want to ask a question.
After marriage, no verse won't talk.
So you say, okay, I agree with you, say sex now one of the most important things for marriage.
1 point.
Okay, so but you said something, say good sex will also help the marriage last, right? And
True.
if you also make the marriage scatter. Have you ever had good sex in your life?
God don't help me.
Are you still with that person?
Yes, nah.
With the person you had good sex?
Yes. It doesn't matter. It never matter if I do with the person.
Hold on, are you the first person will give you good sex?
No.
What happened to the person will give you good sex?
Other things don't happen to the relationship.
Oh, why didn't the good sex keep the relationship?
But like I say, not be the most important. I don't talk to when I want to be the most important.
Yeah. No. Now what you talk and they follow you
which would you rather have? Make you con enter Congo they get bad sex because say say
Okay.
good sex dey for relationship
your reason for sex before marriage na compatibility, right?
Exactly.
Sexual compatibility.
Exactly.
Are you also aware, say some people, when they knack for the first time before marriage, they get some frequency, like this their frequency, so they get discrepancies. Okay, make a no speak okay, so they get sexual desires, right? This person, you're okay, like the babe where you date with now. Una they compatible, right?
By God's grace.
Maybe frequency level. They like them 3 times a week. You said they like them like 4 times, 5 times
Something
a
like
week. So the thing they rhyme somehow.
like that.
You sure say when una marry, you no go change.
See,
This
wetin
compatibility
Kibi say,
no go change.
regardless whether we get sex before or after marriage. When you say
So the sexual compatibility no get you. You go still know whether you dey compatible
You
with
know say-
someone. Whether you have after you have sex with the person.
Okay. Okay.
Whether you no get sex with this person, and then you say you wait after marriage. This person where you knack before marriage, this person frequency fit change after marriage, and we don't see them happen plenty times. People will think say them they sexually compatible because them be they on
They
the
don't,
same
you know,
frequency.
when did they
they
knack that
enter,
time?
they come, they wonder, say, oh, am I with a stranger? Be somebody else.
I go like me note say
Can I say something?
Wait, make I just quickly ask Uzo this question waiting she just talk now. That means say, or I go ask you, say, people where they knack before marriage, if they create see finish, maybe say they will come marry now. That desire, that passion where they get, maybe say if they say they say they just want tear cloth, they won't start from door, reach room, reach kitchen. If they come marry now, you can't be like say they don't too knack. Now we say we don't date together inside the house now. It's not one knack again. It they happen really.
If I would not say that won't be the reason, because we don't see people don't. Okay, what about 10 years in marriage?
Okay.
See finish serial, they happen for marriages.
Okay.
We don't long-term relationship in short. If you don't marry for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, you don't knack this person for 20 years. If you no spice up your bedroom, una go see una say finish. Whether or not they knack they come before una marry or una knack after marriage. So the thing where they make us knack before marriage na curiosity. We want to see wetin
You want to test
You get one to Uzo talk. Uzo talk about say frequency, because when she dey talk about compatibility, she dey focus on the frequency. She dey focus on quantity. She don't talk about quality.
No, that's
so
not
wait now. Regardless of if man na come marry, maybe na come dey get sex 4 times. Like no, my life go happen. You get, you go enter Lagos traffic, go tire,
You
go
go
come
tire,
out.
eh?
If you say that they get sex one time a week, maybe before marriage now every day, you go turn to 1 time a week, 1 time a month. But that 1 time when I go get them, which kind of sex I go get? It dey very key. Don't be say you can't enter marriage now, you can't reach time make she put her mouth for. She go say no, this is my way she dey use old mic for church. Now she want use.
Okay, so your own reason for having sex before marriage, not just because you want to do it in, and I just want to know.
Because it's not that deep. That's what I'm saying. It's not that deep.
Of course, we know that it's not that. Now God design sex, no be devil.
Enjoy yourself. Compatibility.
You no go enjoy yourself after marriage.
Yeah, so why you can't keep them till then? You won't come wait, can't go risk am for future. You can't reach there, can't say.
What do you think say you dey risk? Now that risk, because now the risk.
You dey risk getting married to person way and I don't can't dey sexually compatible.
What
you
you
can't lead to infidelity. Now you can't lead to domestic violence.
Let me define sexual compatibility.
Sexual compatibility is the person where they get sex with. Now energy match. Both normal of times where you won't get them. The kind of sex where you won't get. You waiting you they like, she they like them. Waiting she they like, you they give them. You get now they give on herself like that.
I know how we go know this thing without having sex with this person.
See, you know how the person don't even know what he likes.
So if you discuss them, they fit talk them.
You no go be like that. See,
no put words for mouth. How you go take no really?
How is it like no how? Okay, so you are saying that there's no way you go take
there's no way.
Until you test them.
Yes,
so
now.
You go test tire now. Because you go test until you...
That's STD.
The person where you don't...
So the mistake where a lot of us, they make be say... we they think, say, sexual compatibility gas do with penetration.
Okay.
So penetrative sex, now one thing.
Word.
So we have non-penetrative sex. Which a lot of people know they focus on, and that one gone self now they cause big.
So what is non-penetrative?
So the problem the problem where we get, we say a lot of people don't know wetin sex be. They just see say sex is just put penis inside vagina. Vagina hold on, so no be
teach
penis.
me what sex
Wetin be
is.
this sex? Wetin you
I
really
wanna
mean?
know.
Sex number one starts from your brain because your brain na im be your major and main sex organ, no be your penis or your vagina.
I talk am now when my head correct.
Because you go
sex start
first
from when breast
reason
enter mouth.
sex
My head
before-
straight, e dey work
Wait,
well.
wetin dey make your penetrate? Wetin dey make you get erection? I think say you dey
Now
get erection.
touch now.
Now
Sex
touch.
start from when breast. Sex start from when breast
touch.
enter mouth.
Touch. Wetin dey happen to you in the early hours of the morning? Who dey touch you when you dey get erection early hours of the
That
morning?
one a piece now.
So anytime when you get morning wood,
Eh.
na peace dey hungry you.
Now piece. I don't know about you, Shelly. Now piece the worry me.
No. It depends on who is sleeping with me. It could be peace. It could be some early morning rising.
When you just dey. So wait, when you know dey with babe, you know they get
I understand wetin
erection.
they talk. Say okay when you dey with baby, if you say
No, even
that
no, I don't
awareness.
even talk about when you dey with babe.
Okay, when you dey
On
sleep.
a normal day, you wake up in the
be
morning.
man.
Eh,
You supposed to dey
nah,
experience
nah,
morning
How are you
erection.
sure he be
In
man?
your dreams, you supposed to experience morning erections.
See, na peace.
Like,
But
me dey, no be
but-
every
So
time
your
peace
pregnant
wake-
start for morning.
No be
You
peace.
dey stand now
You
because
need
you
to see the
want
doctor.
because
No,
you
we need
want
to dey
peace.
check you.
Because
If
you
you know
want
they
peace.
get early morning erection, at this your age, there's
Because
something wrong.
no, I dey get
Something
that
is
because
wrong.
you want peace.
Ask Ada,
You
I
know
dey get
you
am.
want
When you wake
Who's
up
am
now.
dey ask her that you dey get
Papito.
am?
I dey get. You know they see am.
Please draw the
Okay.
line.
Wait, let me dey no.
Oh, yeah, I dey hear
Let's
you,
be
I dey
truthful
hear you,
here.
I dey hear you.
Are you saying that every time when you get morning wood, na peace dey hungry you?
No, not every time, but at least. So it depends on if you dey a woman. I understand where you dey go with this whole thing, say mental and that kind of stuff. Say if you dey wake up normal, woman dey your side.
Your erection, you don't even know
Your-
as
your
you dey,
brain.
you don't even know wetin dey happen. Okay, you don't know as
see.
your erection dey take come.
I know now.
How?
You go
How
wake
your
up. You
erection
go
dey-
wake
No,
up.
you
You go wake up.
How?
You don't wait. Normal erection, the one where they happen for morning.
Whether normal erection o,
Normal
whether
erection,
which of
where
their
they
normal
come.
erection sef?
Normal erection, I say okay. You get that. You say women, God specially created. You get. You get the way woman won't follow you talk. Where
You
you
go
don't.
dey get erection.
You understand?
That's how they do it.
Make you get
No. Is it that easy? It comes up that easy.
But but Uzo, I go really like make
Uzo,
you
suffer.
make you break am down
That's
for
why
us.
you for the start now.
The
Talk am.
penetrative and the non-penetrative sex.
So penetrative sex. Now when the penis go greet the vagina.
Vagina.
You
Okay.
go greet am, say hi.
Yeah, he just go salute them inside the vagina wall.
Well done,
Morning,
sir.
sir.
Now, non-penetrative sex got to do with oral sex, kissing, all the foreplay. That is non-penetrative sex. Now, we dey concentrate more most times on penetrative sex, where they make us engage more for inside sex before marriage. One, the babe go talk say, I want to know the size of the man penis, whether it fits my vagina. No be the one wey be say if he screw in, he go loose.
Very good.
But we
We
make
go dey
Or you
swim.
go dey
But make
wound me.
I just quickly drop this
Or you
one
go
now
dey
because
wound
before
me.
you skip my mind, you say people they concentrate more on the penetrative sex. Now this oral sex and the rest of them will be the non-penetrative sex. It no still fall under the category of sex before marriage. Say person they give me
Very
oral
good.
sex.
God will bless you,
Or
Ada.
they give guy blowjob and the guy they give me head. You know be still sex before marriage be that.
If you give am blowjob, he give you and oral sex una do na it's not penetrative sex.
So
it's
we no
still
go call
sex.
am before.
If you do anal sex, it's sex.
So if I
you
don't
do
reach
oral
that level,
sex, it's sex.
so if I don't reach that level, what's it going to stop now from penetrative sex?
Some people know they do am. No say if
Why?
una don't do am. It's
Wait.
not part of it.
You feed the corridor, but you never enter the door.
So if you say sex, when you say sex before, when you say make people know, make them abstain from sex, this is part of it. So the problem is that a lot of people know. That's why I said people don't understand what's in sex. Be a lot of people. So they narrow them down to just penetrative sex. So when you understand that it goes beyond penetrative sex, that even oral sex is sex. Anal sex, some people go tell you say they be virgin as long as they no penetrate their vagina. They go do anal, they are still virgins because their hymen
hymen
see
and
they
everything.
Still dey
very
intact, yeah.
but they don't be virgins anymore because that one you had is sex. When they strap you from back, no be sex with that.
No be
Now
like
that one I even like safe.
So back to this sexual compatibility.
Yeah.
So the problem is we go rush have this sex before marriage. And then because we dey find whether we fit or not, just penetrative. We know they discuss other things. I don't see cases of people wey be like say they match. You understand? When they strap themselves before marriage. After marriage, things change. Now, when you know they get certain conversation with your couple, with your partner before marriage about sex, which is something a lot of people they don't even discuss them. A lot of people don't discuss sex. When they want to discuss sex, now I want to do.
Straight up.
I just want to enter you. This your breast, they do me wine for eye. This your penis, they call me. I just want to. They know they talk about
Miss call.
waiting you want, waiting you know wants. Me, I no go ever do anal sex. Oh, me, I like anal sex. How do you like waiting your sexual desires? Are you dey into kinks? They know they talk about that one because somehow now somebody if you go spank in wife,
Just vex.
vex.
why
I
they
don't
beat
hear
me?
one wife want to say if your husband dare spank him, say that's the end of the sex. So.
I go slap you on back.
You don't turn
And
between
then some
drum.
people not also understand, say consent. Now something will be saying a part of the sexual activity. Your wife where you marry, if he tell you no. This is a conversation where we're supposed to get before we enter it. But we are so much in a hurry to want dissect within the inside the vagina walls, within the inside the man penis.
Okay, quickly because of time here, make I start with Mide. Mide, wetin make you feel? I just make you feel. If you give us a point where you may make you feel say sex before marriage, na be the cocoa.
Omo, when you check this the whole idea of say we want date together for life. Omo, marriage no easy. You get. If you get things where you know say omo, you feel come out from road, say okay, people this one aside, so this one no be problem. As early as the courtship phase. So as na the date you get, you don't know the kind of things where you fit take, the kind of things where you no go fit take. Okay. Also they talk about talking and that kind of course they're important. But don't forget say talk na talk, action na action. Talk na talk, action na action. The guy if he tell you say he know where the G spot day. When he reach that day, you give him a touchlight, he no find out.
You will know where the G spot today.
And the problem is say no person no green light. To find the G spot.
You will know where the G spot
You
is.
are touchlight.
Why you not go know when the guy they tell you lie or not? No, I understand they say talk they cheap. But
Talk
when you
is
get
cheap.
if talk they cheap, why we gonna talk say make people they do communication?
Communication is very, very important.
And then talk is no longer cheap. Now if they talk say the talk no matter, then we know they communicate.
When marriage don't enter, the stakes are high. Like for relationship phase, I mean, pressure not too much. Marriage don't enter, and don't date together. Anything where it happen, you like him, you know like him.
Okay, so maybe I
we
want
don't
to
date
ask you
together.
one question. So this person where you date with, so everything we not talk about, or everything we not don't practice now, we make una feel say una match. When I marry finish, the thing can't change. What you go do?
You know if you change now.
Why you no go change?
You know if you change.
What you make I no go change?
Like, see-
Pikin go come, me go change.
You know if you change.
She they talk about talking. He won't make you do.
Action.
Talk and do. Me, I'm in the fence. Whether you knock before or after, my brother, the Boko is to come now. This time around, we're a bunch of women. Oh my Jesus. I stand in the fence.
What a life.
What a life.
But also, as I say, Bible tell us say make we no do before marriage.
You know, sister, I no quote Bible.
No, I said
I
aside.
did intentional about
I
that.
know.
you
We
don't
don't
believe in the
want to go the
concept?
religious way here.
I know I'm not religious.
We don't want to go the religious, but I just say aside that one, yeah. Waiting be the point where you won't give us now. We'll go hold strong,
Good.
or you go take convince people say sex before marriage no be the cocoa. Wait till you marry.
My point is, sex before marriage, no be waiting they give you sexual compatibility.
Okay.
Sexual compatibility, because that's the reason why a lot of people they rush enter do sex before marriage. Sexual compatibility they beyond penetrative sex, and that can be achieved even after marriage. Because when you have sex before marriage, they lose focus most times on waiting they happen for inside the relationship. Sex they blind plenty people eye. They know they fit. People get devil penis. People get devil penis and
Sex has
they
blind me.
vagina. We go they sweet you, they go back. Meanwhile, go they blind you for all the things that we're supposed to
You know, go
focus
they see the
on.
necessary things.
You know go focus
Abeg
because the
you.
thing they sweet you. But when you calm down and look the relationship well, now sex after marriage they give you time to fit reason well and look the relationship well. Ask the right questions them. Do the right things them. So you go no say okay, I don't tick all these boxes them. Okay, now we they ready to face this thing, sex inside our marriage. Do you understand? But when we don't straff ourselves, most times we dey lose focus. Things that what we suppose they chook eye on top where this person they do, we go they. The thing where they sweet us,
Because
that guy
they don't get
penis,
stigmatized
that
now.
guy,
Yeah.
that big
That
vagina.
be good
Hey,
thing.
God.
I mean, is what at the end of the day.
But
It's what at the end of the
Sex is
day.
beautiful.
Okay, man, I
Thank
remember
you
talk
very
where
much.
could they go?
Papi spending.
People where don't knock before sex, marriage they break. People wait till during marriage still
Marriage
dey
still dey
break.
break.
True.
However, the cocoa na to do wetin? Come and be satisfied.
Let's
That's all.
say you and Ukeri are doing the same this. Ukeri
Very, very
come outside
simple now.
recently talk say anybody wey say make people no nag, especially when they don't propose say they go marry each other. Say
Yeah.
na wickedness.
Hey now.
And she na, you know,
You
woman
know
of
the level.
God.
Better
Eh-heh.
talk.
But anyway, because of time, we got to wrap up on top this Chukma. I wish say we go fit talk more because I feel say Olamide never still talk some kind of things they want to talk.
But people keep your eye on Olamide relationship. He has been knocking his girlfriend, so we don't know whether it will last. That's the point now.
But which one you go follow? Sex before marriage or sex after marriage? Which one you dey do currently? Because I know almost everybody dey inside relationship, whether na your bube or your bube situation. But sha one thing you don dey or you never dey do. Which one you go follow? You dey team Uzo or you dey team me dey here?
Or you dey on the fence.
Or you dey on the fence, Jare, with Papi Spend, where we say, anyone wey meet Papi Spending.
Chop and clean mouth.
You crush am just like that. But don't forget to follow us on top of our YouTube channel. Make you stream, make you download, make you share, make you top person to top person. Say ChookMouthGeng, nothing serious.